Hi guys, it's Luke Zocchi here. I'm a part of the Centr team. Centr is a health and wellness platform that Chris Hemsworth designed, and now it is available to the general public. You get access to his experts on nutrition, training and mindfulness. I've trained Chris Hemsworth now for over 10 years. I've sculpted his body for many different roles, and the tools I've learned along that way are now within the app. And I think people get surprised because they think Chris must spend hours and hours in the gym every day, and this isn't true. We are trained in the most effective way possible, bringing down our workout time, and I think that works really good for the everyday person who's busy and has a busy schedule, has a family, has a job. This works for everyone. We have a holistic approach to health and fitness, and we focus on three main pillars. Training, we have different training modalities between yogas, Pilates, boxing, strength training, into different nutritions, different diets, and then also our other pillar is mindfulness. So sleep visualization, getting ready for a workout, calming the body down. So there's all three main pillars on a holistic approach to health and wellness. At Centr, we have got a new campaign, Moves That Matter. What this means is we're challenging our members to move more, which in turn is going to be a donation to Good Sports to help kids with youth sporting clubs. It's an awesome foundation. So it's going to really motivate our members to get the most out of their year, achieve their fitness goals, and this in turn is going to be a bigger donation to Good Sports. We're really proud to announce at Centr we have created these essential starter kits. How this kit come about, I used to travel with Chris on the road, and I'd always have bands and resistance bands, and we've thought this would be a great tool for other people to use. So we've created these kits which are available at Walmart. You can check them out now and use these to level up your training. Check out Centr.com. We have a 1 month free trial. That is right, 1 month free trial for January, where you can sign up to the app and use the app and see how you like it. How the app works, you sign into the app once you download it. You put in your goals of what you're trying to achieve, and then you'll get messaged each day your daily plan of what you need to do to achieve those goals. So check it out at Centr.com now and see how you like it.